Well, we all know the importance of a great smile, and it's nice to have pretty white teeth when you show off those pearly whites. This is Lauren Ayers. She is a registered dental hygienist at Wilkinson Dental, and you're going to talk all about making your smile whiter, and you can do that very affordably here,
Yes.
very quickly as well. What are some of the options for tooth whitening?
We offer a couple options for our patients here. We have an in-office, which we encourage a lot of patients to do just to get the best result. And then we also do a take-home they can do, at home on their own time. And we usually do a combination of both for our patients as well.
Okay, what's the difference? If you do the in-office, does this have to do with the gels, or is it light, or both?
It is both. So the in-office, you're going to come in for a first session. We're going to put the solution on the teeth, and then we're going to put you under a light for about 30 minutes, and that's going to give you a boost and jump a couple shades right away. Then your teeth are prepped and ready to go, and we send you home with your custom-made trays that fit and adhere to your teeth, because everyone's is different. That's why you always want to use professional products. Whereas just the take-home is going to be for someone who maybe doesn't have as far as to go, but just wants to brighten up their teeth a little bit. And that's just going to be using it at home for 2 weeks. You just put it in on your own time every day for 2 weeks, and it's a custom fit tray that's going to fit perfect just for you.
So a custom fit tray, and then there's some kind of like a whitening gel that goes in the tray.
Whenever you whiten professionally, you're under our watch, so we can give you a higher concentration of solution where you can't get in the stores. So you're just going to place that in the trays, and then you're going to wear it at home or at night, whichever our patients prefer. And you just wear it for 2 weeks, and it gives you your desired result.
So if I understand you correctly, if you do the in-office whitening, you will get a wider result, but maybe a better result or a longer lasting one?
Yes, you'll get a result right away, and then your teeth are just kind of already prepped and ready to take in the solution you're going to use at home, whereas the take-home trays, it just may take a couple days to get your teeth prepped and ready to go. So you're going to get a faster result, and usually you're going to get more of a result and jump quite a few more shades with the in-office.
Okay, so the in-office starts with about, how long will you be in here for that one?
Usually about an hour to hour and a half.
Okay, do you have to redo these down the road at all?
Typically our patients don't. Typically the shade stays pretty white, and they just do their touch-ups at home. Some like to do it once a month, some like to do it every couple months. It really just is your preference, but it's really long-lasting results.
Now you do see the kits on the store shelves. Everybody sees them all around. Now they may or may not help, but they're nothing, it cannot come close to what you can do in the office. Is that right?
No, and they would help some, but they're not going to adhere to your teeth as a custom fit tray would. So they may whiten part of your tooth, not all of it, and they're not going to get them as white because the solution just isn't going to be strong enough, because you just have to have that professional care, to be able to have that stronger gel.
Do most people brighten, I don't think this is a stupid question, I'm not sure. Do most people brighten upper and lower?
Yes, they do. Most people want to have matching. Some people, when they smile, you don't see their lower teeth, but definitely when you talk, you'll see both of them. So you just want an even, bright smile.
Yes, you do. All right, so show me a little bit of what you sort of have to show me here in terms of some of the colors that you might come in with and some of the things you might walk out with. And also this is what the tray looks like. That's what you have in your hand now.
So this is what we really encourage our patients that really want to whiten, because these custom fit trays, they're just a smooth kind of plastic material that we just take an impression, a mold of your teeth, and we make them for our patients. And then they're just going to go on and then just snap down, so we can get in every little groove of every tooth and make sure you get the best color possible. A lot of our patients, we show them the shade guide. This is kind of a natural range of, natural shades of teeth. Usually people will fall kind of in the middle, some lower down here.
And you think they're very white until you really look at white, right?
Yes, that's true. And then, so we usually find their shade, show them where they're at, and typically all of our patients usually end up on this very white bleaching shade guide. So we usually see results up in these shades, and they maintain them really well too.
That's incredible. You have a special going on right now also in terms of tooth whitening. What's that?
Our special is, if you just mentioned that you saw us on Ozarks Live, for our patients or any new patients that want to come see us, we're going to offer the take-home whitening for $99. So you get your custom trays and all the gel you need for it. And then the in-office, we're going to offer at $199 for the patients. And that's a really big deal because it's like a $300 discount. So we're really excited to do that for everybody.
Very good. Mention Ozarks Live. Real quick, you have a website?
Yes, we do. wilkdental.com.
All right, Lauren from Wilkinson Dental, thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Very impressive. And a big thanks to all of our guests today. And do not forget this Saturday, Lucas Oil Speedway in Wheatland, the Budweiser Weekly Championship Series resumes. Gates open at 5 o'clock, hot laps at 7, and racing coming up at 7:30 this weekend, Lucas Oil Speedway.
That's always a good time.
Oh, it is.
And I could listen to this band forever and a day.
they?
Weren't they fabulous? All right.
Sean Clavin and the Dirty Truth, they were great.
They were. See you guys tomorrow. Have a great night.